For 8.4, we're going to be working with what we call double discounts. So kind of these problems are going to be, we receive a discount on our total purchase, and then we receive another discount. Now, let me show you the steps, but what we are always tempted to do is just add the two discounts together, but that's not actually going to give us the same answer. Okay, so we can't just add discounts together because we're taking a discount off of our discount. So we're going to end up multiplying by percentages twice. Okay, so how to solve a double discount problem? Step 1, we take the first percent of the original price. So we find the original discount. And then, like we've been doing before, we just subtract that discount from the original price. So we have an original price, and now we have a discounted price. Okay? Then we're going to be given a second discount. So we, for step 3, we take the second percent of our answer from number 2. So we take a percentage of the answer we got in number 2. And then step 4, we subtract the second discount from the previously discounted price. So we're going to be doing the same thing twice. Okay? So let's do an example. Example 1. Harvey bought a jacket on sale for 40%. So the first sale price was 40% off the original price and another 20% off the discounted price. The jacket's original cost was $80. What did Harvey end up paying for the jacket? So step 1 is we want to take the first percent off the original price. What was the original sale price? $80 and 40%, right? So let's set up a proportion. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to label these step 1. So that's going to be x over 80, right, equals 40 over 100. I cross multiply. 80 times 40 gives me 3,200 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100. Which gives me x equals $32, right? So my percentage off is $32. So step 2 says that I subtract the discount from the original price. So step 2, I subtract $32 from $80. That is a funky 3. Okay, what's 80 minus 32, ladies and gentlemen? $48, right? Okay, so we got $48. We pay for it, $48, and then we find out that we get another 20% off the discounted price. Okay, now this is where it comes in that we can't add the percentages. This 20%, it says 20% off the discounted price. If it said we got 40% plus an additional 20%, then we could add them. But this says 20% off the discounted price, so we have to take this discounted price and then take 20% of that. So it's all in the wording of it. Okay? So step 3, we set up another proportion. So that is x over 48 equals, what's the other percentage? 20 over 100. Okay? We cross multiply. 20 times 48, that gives me 960. Right? Yep. Equals 100 x. Divide both sides by 100. Those zeros cancel, and then we can move the decimal over 1. So x equals $9.60, right? Okay. So then step 4 was what?
Subtract.
Subtract again. So we take 48, the discounted price, minus $9.60. So what does that give me? 38.40? 38.40. So how much did he end up paying? 38.40. So he got a pretty good discount. The original cost was $80 and he ended up paying less than half of that. I know. Okay. So, question. Why can I not just add the percentages and take 60% off? I'm going to do it really quick to show you that you do not get the same answer. You don't have to write it all down, but I do want you to pay attention, please. Okay, so if my original cost was $80, that's X over 80 equals 40% plus 20% is 60% over 100. When I cross multiply, that gives me $4,800 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100. Those zeros cancel and those zeros cancel. So I get x equals a total discount of $48. Okay, so then I take $80 minus $48 and I get I need to borrow to $37, right? 32. And I get that he only paid $32. Now these are very close, right? $32 and $38, but it is not exactly the same. If you add the discount, you end up paying less than, or getting a smaller answer than what our actual answer should be. So we do need to do all 4 steps here, okay? Because the problem says 20% off the discounted price, which means we have to take 20% off of whatever we get after we take the original one. So please, 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 I know it's tempting, but do not add them because you will not get the same answers. Okay? Okay. Example 2. A mountain bike that is priced at $680, so that's the original price, is on sale for 30% off. So here's how I would write it. I would write original price is $680. Okay, is on sale for 30% off. So discount is 30%. On December 24th, the store advertised an additional 15%. So then I'm going to write second discount is 15%. This is 30. Okay. So my original price was $680. My discount was 30%, and my second discount is 15%. What would be the final sale price of the mountain bike? Okay, so make sure you have all this information. You don't have to write the whole problem. And let's get started. Step 1, I need to find the first discount. So that means I'm going to set up a proportion. What's the discount?
30%.
30%, so that's 30 over 100. The original price was $680, so that goes on bottom. And X goes on top. And then we cross multiply. So that gives me 680 times 30. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. And then 2 zeros. 20,400 equals 100x. Are you guys just agreeing with me?
Yeah.
That's what you got? Okay. Divide both sides by 100. So X equals, these zeros cancel, those zeros cancel, $204. So first discount is $204. So then what is step 2? Step 2 is subtract them. So we take the original price, $680, minus $204. I have to borrow, so that gives me $476. Okay, that's what I got to, $476. Okay, then step 3, we need to take 15% off of that price. So I'm going to set up a proportion again. This time I have 15 over 100 on the right-hand side. 476, does that go on top or bottom? Bottom, good. So X goes on top. And then let's cross multiply. And I'm going to use a calculator on this one. 476 times 15 equals 7,140 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100. So I get X equals, we move the decimal over 2 spaces, $71.40, yes? Okay. So my second discount is $71.40. So then my last step, step 4, is I need to find my final price. So I take that sale price, $476, and subtract $71.40. So that gives me 476 minus 71.40. So that equals $400.04. No, $404.60. Yeah? You got, you did?